We're asked to identify which molecules can exhibit hydrogen bonding. And hydrogen bonding, or as we call it, hydrogen dipole-dipole forces, occurs when you have a hydrogen atom attached directly to a very electronegative atom. Specifically, hydrogen attached to nitrogen, oxygen, or fluorine. In these situations, there's an extra strong dipole. Resulting in stronger IMFs. Looking at these compounds, we can see that this molecule here is the only one where the hydrogen is directly attached to one of these electronegative atoms. So the correct answer is going to be only the first compound, methanol.